The day has finally arrived. I just brought my very first PlayStation. As a kid, I always wanted a PlayStation, but I couldn't afford it because
I'm broke.
But now as an adult, I still can't afford
I'm a grown man.
But still, I brought the brand new PS5 Slim, and in today's video, I will be setting up my very first gaming setup. This was my gaming setup before. I only had a laptop, but I punched this laptop in the face and brought the brand new PS5 Slim where I could get cool graphics and best gameplay possible. So without wasting any of your time, let's get right into the video. I'm sure you must have seen a lot of PS5 unboxing videos, so I'm not going to be wasting your time today and just show you how I set up the PS5. I brought this monitor for my PS5. It is a 2K monitor with a 27-inch display from Gigabyte. If you want to buy this one, it will cost you around $300. If you have a tight budget, then I have the cheapest PS5 monitor for you. I have the link of that monitor in the description if you want to check it out. It is an affiliate link, so if you are using that link, you will be supporting the channel too, and thank you for that. I am going to speed this up for you. Now let's set up the PS5. I'm not a tech guy, which is ironic because I'm Indian, but I was able to set it up. I also brought this controller holder from Amazon. You can check it out for yourself. You can change the lights to your liking and hold your controller and headphones as well. I also brought the viral astronaut from Amazon, which I will be using to light up the room. This is the final look of my gaming setup. Rate this setup in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will be making walkthroughs on the latest games, gaming news, and some tech related content, and just have some fun playing games. So that's all for today's video. I'll be seeing you in the next one.